In this tutorial, I will show you the power of the FeedLabs Figma plugin. Open the Figma plugins menu and search for FeedLabs. The plugin will present you two ways to upload a CSV feed, by uploading a file or a downloadable link. We will use a downloadable link in this example. When uploaded, you can see the fields present in the feed. If you wish to reload the feed, click the Sync button. To delete the feed, click the Remove button. The plugin has two principal tabs, Rendering and Configurator. Select the Configurator tab. The plugin renders frames, so first create a frame. Now, let's create a text element inside the frame. We can directly see that this gives us two options in the plugin: dynamic text and conditional rendering. Activate the dynamic text option. We can now add variables from our feed. In order to do so, the variable needs to be surrounded by two curly brackets. Once written, click the Preview button to see the result for the first item in your feed. If you wish to change the feed row used for previews, select the frame and navigate to the Rendering tab. Here we see a number input which allows you to select the feed row number. The Preview item button renders the entire frame for your selected row. Let's go back to the configurator to explore the conditional rendering feature. This feature allows you to render elements based on conditions. Click the plus icon. A box will appear with three inputs: field, operator, and value. When we fill in a value which is not equal to the current feed row value, the element hides when we click on the Preview button. To select a different conditional rule, we can change the operator. Here we choose Starts with. As you can see, the text element shows up again. Now let's draw a rectangle. As you can see, the conditional render option is also available for rectangles. Now, activate the dynamic image option. You can now select the desired feed column containing image URLs. When we press the Preview button, the image of the preview row will appear. Click on the image fill to change the resize mode. The plugin supports fit, fill, or crop. We now select both elements and group them. As you can see, we can apply conditional rendering to groups as well. Let's navigate to the Rendering tab and select the frame. Changing the feed row number and clicking the Preview item button renders both elements for the selected row. When your design is ready, press the orange button to render all items. You can see the frame updating in real time. When finished, you can store the result on your computer. Rendering inside Figma has its limits, since it is slow and supports only up to 50 items at a time. In case you have bigger feeds or want to automate processing, click the FeedLabs Pro button to discover the full power of FeedLabs. Thank you for watching.